Hi children, we have already learned the number line, subtraction using the number line. But today we are going to do 2-digit minus 1 digit. We are going to do subtraction using a number line. Alright? We are going to do subtraction using a number line. Subtraction using a number line. Okay, now first of all I'm going to draw the number line, and your sum is 16 minus 9. 16 take away 9. This is your sum. 16 minus 9 is how much? And we are going to do it on the number line. Alright? Now we begin always with 0. Alright? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the line continues. Alright? And the line will go on and on. Alright? So, the sum is 16 minus 9. What is 16 minus 9? What is the answer? That's what we are going to do. 16 minus 9. Now, what did we learn in number line? In the case of subtraction, first from 0 to 16 number, you draw a line, the arrow, it jumps from the 0, keep going right up to 16. Then minus 9. From 16 you count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? First you jump from 0 right up to 16. Okay? Right up to 6. That's a number given. Then minus, take away 9 numbers. After before the 16 is the number, now you count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are counting backwards 9 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then from 16, the arrow comes back, counted backwards, and that's it. The answer is 7. 16 minus 7, your answer is 7. Okay? 16 minus 7, your answer is 7. Okay. We will do one more sum for you. Okay? 18, 19 and 20, and the number line can go on. And your sum here is, I'm going to give you a sum, 17 minus 8. What is 17 minus 8? Alright? 17. From 0, you have to jump up to 17. The arrow goes, start from 0, and it goes right down to 17. Because the sum says 17. Then you must count backward 8 numbers minus 8. So 17 is the number starting. Then you count backward 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 17 take away 8 is 9. From 17, draw an arrow up to 9, and your answer is 9. 17 take away 8 is 9. Your answer is 9. Got it? I'll tell you once again. Your sum is 17. So, you draw an arrow to 17 and the number is minus 8. Take away 8. So, count backwards 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, you draw back an arrow up to the 9. Answer 17 take away 8 is 9. Your answer is 9. And then we can do one more sum for you. We always begin with 0. And the line goes on. Now, the sum I'm giving you is 19 minus 6. And let's find the answer. First of all, 19 minus 6. 19 take away 6. So from 0, you go right up to 19. In subtraction, you take the arrow right up to 19. Take away 6. Count 6 numbers backward. 6 numbers backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So from 19, come backward 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because it says minus 6. Now what is the answer you get? 13. 19 minus 6, your answer is 13. Get it now? Subtraction on the number line is very easy. All you have to do, look at the number, goes right up to the number set, number 19, backward, count 6 backward. If it is 17, go to 17, count 8 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's your answer. If you have 16, go to 16, Count 9 numbers backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's your answer. We have done subtraction using a number line.